Dear Diary, this is the last day of my school. Pinch me. Yes, the last day. Hey, I don't believe it. No more arranging bags at night. No more वो exam के पहले वाले discussions. And no more, ma'am, I have a doubt वाले questions. No more assemblies in the morning. No more last warnings. No more saving seats for your best friend. Diary, I still can't believe it's the end. My life revolved around the school. Its projects, assignments, and its rules. I'm the one who forgets to change the year after a new year. How do I move on from a place I've been coming to since years? I have tears in my eyes. I don't want to cry, but I hate to say goodbye. I want to keep these memories like a photograph that I'll see in future and laugh. At the same time, I'm excited to see what the future holds for me. Things can't always remain the same because it will take the fun of the game. I know it's difficult now, but I know life's gonna be fun anyhow. Yes, Darwin, this is the last day of my school. Yours truly, a former school student, but a forever learner.